Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will work forward with HTML. In this lesson we will work about forms in HTML, how to create forms in HTML. First of all, we open bracket our live preview. We add some basic codes, document type HTML. Our head section. In the head section we add the title, HTML tutorial, and then we add our body section, I forgot to add HTML language English. We have added this. Now we want to add our form. We add form tag. In the form tag, we add our form elements, and for form elements, we should use table. We add table. tr then td. And the first one, we add name and this. Input type text. We have added this. Now we can add some text in here. We can type anything that we want, but we want to add some codes in here, like we want to add the maximum length of the word, how much. Now we can type I don't know how many characters is this. Now we want to add in here another attribute, max length. Max length 3. We can't type more than 3. Then we have another. Then we add another for another part and forms password. We have added password in here. Now for password we add input. Input type password. We have when we type, we can see, everyone can see, but in here password will be typed like this. Then we add another. Input type email. We should write email in here. Now we want to add another one other places for typing. In here we add another tr. td address. In here we want to add text area. Text area. If we add this, we can type in here. But we want to add some attributes for our text area. For text area, we add rows like 10, and this in here 10 lines. And one thing more that we want to add. Uh, 30 characters we want to write in here for text 30 characters. Now we want this address should be in here like the others. Now in HTML the default is to text align or vertical the text align in the center. Now we want to align it in the top. We align top or vertical align on the top. Now we add some other codes. In here we want to add a selection. In here we want to add a selection. We want to ask for the sex of the person that want to use this form. Now in here input type radial. In here we have selection, but now we can select both of them, but we want one of them should be selected. For this we should use name for them. Now we can select only one of them, but if the names are not the same, we can select both of them. When we add a name, both of them one name, we can select only one of them. Let's change the name. Now we can select both of them, but we want only one should be selected. Then another. And here we want to name it city. And then in here we use select. Options, we add room, runs, Perugia, and like Paris. In here now we can select one of them, but we want to add we want the person that visits our website should be able to select multiple. Now I can select multiple. For this, in select option we use multiple. Now with control we can select many, but we don't want this. In here now, because the fourth one is room, and here it's room, we want that our customers, when visit our website, want to register, should be selected by like Perugia. For this, selected. Now by default it's Perugia selected in here. Now we want to add another type of list. We want to add interests. We add input, type, checkbox, sport. In here sport, Yeah.